Why am I getting pulled over?
What's your name, sir?
Why am I getting pulled over?
I will not ask again. If you do not give me your name and information, I will pull you out of the car, put you in cuffs, and identify you that way.
You're supposed to tell me before any of
As
that.
soon as you identify yourself, we can have that discussion.
I've already identified myself.
On the side of the street.
I need the supervisor en route. Now.
A patrol officer quickly initiated a routine traffic stop. The driver pulled over, but faced immediate hostility instead of an explanation. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 4511.02, no person shall fail to comply with any lawful order or direction of any police officer invested with authority to direct, control, or regulate traffic. The officer chose to demand immediate compliance rather than de-escalate the encounter.
I'm Officer Upton with Homecroft Police Department. I'll need your driver's license and registration.
I don't have any of that since your one of your esteemed POS colleagues took my ID.
All right. Do you have a license? You just don't have it on you?
No, I have a license.
Okay. What's your name?
Why am I getting pulled over?
What's your name, sir?
Why am I getting pulled over?
I will not ask again. If you do not give me your name and information, I will pull you out of the car, put you in cuffs, and identify you that way.
Okay, my name's Keith Fry, and I want a supervisor here now.
How do you spell your last name?
F-R-Y, Fry. I want a supervisor here now.
Date of birth?
I'll answer questions when a
Date of birth.
supervisor is
If you
here.
don't identify yourself, it's a violation of state law. Either you identify yourself, or I will need to take you out of the car.
My name is Keith Fry, 82486. I want a supervisor here now.
You don't have registration, nothing for your vehicle either?
Yeah, I do.
I'll need it as well.
You know you have to tell me why you pulled me over, right?
Absolutely, I will.
And you haven't yet.
As soon as you
You're
give
The
supposed-
calm motorist proactively requested a supervisor to oversee the scene. This reasonable request deeply offended the hostile officer. Pursuant to Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.31, no person, without privilege to do so, and with purpose to prevent, obstruct, or delay the performance by a public official of any authorized act within the public official's official capacity, shall do any act that hampers or impedes a public official in the performance of the public official's lawful duties. The citizen provided his verbal credentials to ensure he remained fully compliant.
You're supposed to tell me before any of
As
that.
soon as you identify yourself, we can have that discussion.
I've already identified myself.
On the side of the street.
I need the supervisor en route. Now.
We're not going to have court on the side of the street. Give me your information, and we'll go from there.
As you can see, I requested a supervisor, and he's not yet called one. So that's good policing here. Obviously, he doesn't know the rules.
That's a receipt for your registration.
No, this is the receipt for the registration of who I got the car from. Still hasn't told me why I'm pulled over. Still hasn't called a supervisor. You're in a lot of trouble, bub.
That's it right there.
No, that's hers too. I throw mine away and keep hers?
The officer claimed the driver completely blew past a traffic sign. The motorist firmly disputed the false allegation on the spot. According to Ohio Revised Code Section 4511.43, except when directed to proceed by a law enforcement officer or traffic control signal, every driver of a vehicle approaching a stop sign shall stop at a clearly marked stop line. The official used loud verbal intimidation rather than showing objective proof.
All right. So the reason you're being stopped is you did not come to a complete stop at Orinoco and Banta. You blew that stop sign. I'll be right back. How you doing? Chief Leonard?
Chief Leonard.
Yes, sir.
This guy back here, I don't know, he's got a hard-on for action or something. All I asked him was, why am I getting pulled over, which you're supposed to tell me. And then I said I want a supervisor, and he carried on threatening to yank me out of the car for no reason without calling you here. I wanted you here before he did anything else. Because as soon as he said that, it's like, I mean, you're so bored sitting in our school parking lot that now you got somebody pulled over, you want to just yank him out of the car because you're bored or what?
Okay.
It's uncalled for. It's ridiculous.
Okay.
I mean, if I did something,
Yes, sir.
and you pulled me over for it, what did I do?
Right.
You're supposed to tell me,
Okay.
not just. I don't know, man. It's outrageous.
Okay. Did you identify yourself and everything before?
Yeah.
Beforehand?
Yeah. I told him who I was. I told him my date of birth. There's nothing else. I already had my ID taken by the police 3, 4, 5 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
And so I don't have my ID.
Yes, sir.
But I asked for you, and he acted like it was a big deal.
Okay.
I mean,
I apologize that you experienced that,
it ain't your fault.
and I will definitely look into that.
I mean, he says that I personally believe he seen a wrecked car and decided he was going to pull it over, because I definitely stopped at the stop sign. But I'm not going to argue that with him. He doesn't have camera of me at that, but neither do I. So it is what it is. But I mean, it's simple interaction with human beings.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to be that way. Why'd you pull me over? I'm telling you my name and all this, and we'll get to that. And you don't tell me everything I need to know, I'm gonna yank you out of the car. It's simple. Hey, I pulled you over for the stop sign. Okay, well, let me continue what I'm doing. But if you're not treating the public with respect, you're not going to get respect back.
Right.
And that's what he doesn't seem to understand.
Okay. Well, like I say, I definitely will investigate that and get that corrected. Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right. My name is Jim, by the way, Jim Leonard.
Jim Leonard, thank you.
And your first name?
Keith Fry.
Keith. All right, Keith. Thank you, sir, for letting me know about that. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, sir.
Okay, Ms. Fry, this is a ticket for the stop sign that you did not stop at.
I definitely stopped that.
This is the website you'll want to go to take care of it, bgcitycourt.com. Give it about 5 business days to show up in the system.
No, I'm not gonna be doing that.
I'm sorry?
I'm not gonna be doing that.
Okay. If you have any questions, there's a number here at top. These are your options. All that being said, you do have constitutional right to see the judge. I'd be more than happy to meet
That's
you there and discuss
definitely
it.
what we're doing.
I'm cutting you a break on the seatbelt. You need to have your seatbelt on, so if you put that on for me. Also, you need to have your driver's license on you at all times that you're driving. So you're catching a break on those 2 things. So you're only getting the stop sign ticket today. It is also an ordinance violation versus the state ticket. Do you have any questions for me?
I don't know what you mean by that, but
It's all explained here.
All right.
You have 60 days to take care of that.
denial and request for trial.
The entire dynamic shifted when Chief Leonard arrived to investigate. The citizen quickly explained the officer's threats of physical force. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 737.11, the police force of a municipal corporation shall preserve the peace, protect persons and property, and obey and enforce all ordinances of the legislative authority. The supervisor openly apologized and corrected his subordinates' bad behavior.